Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create multi-voice dialogue on Elevenlabs. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser, go to the Elevenlabs website, and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Text-to-Speech and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your script is ready, in the text editor, you'll see the option to add speaker. Click on it to insert another speaker into your dialogue. After adding a new speaker, select a different voice from the Elevenlabs voice library. You can choose voices with different accents, ages, or speaking styles to make each character sound unique. Repeat this process if you want to add more speakers to your conversation. Now enter your script. Write each character's dialogue under the correct speaker. Elevenlabs will automatically use the assigned voice for each section, creating a natural conversation between multiple speakers. Once your script is ready, click Generate to create the audio, listen to the preview, and if needed, change the voices or edit the dialogue until you're happy with the result. And that's it! So that's basically how you can create multi-voice dialogue on Elevenlabs. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!